Sunrise. That's where we came from. Some of these are fishing vessels, but some are actually being used as mode of transportation in this particular area. More so that this is actually the harbor. It's actually the barangay hall up there. It's a somehow poetic name for a boat. Check it out. This is the Ilawod. This is actually where the fishermen gather. Fishing village is actually here. And can you see that boat coming? So that's what I said when I mentioned earlier that some of the boats are being used as passenger vessels. The industry that I mentioned or featured earlier in a previous video actually uses driftwood as material. So we are now at Ilawod again. Let's continue our morning hike by the beach. We are now at the spot where seawater meets fresh water. Sometimes we actually come here to bathe. It's a beautiful spot, really. Can you see the waves coming from that direction? You can also see the profile of Mount Mayon or Mayon volcano from Albay. Up there, it's actually a highway. It's a nice highway. It's going to a nearby barangay, and actually they are planning to construct a road that would actually lead to Karamoan. Now if you take the boat, you might end up right there on the other side of the river, and that's actually the riverbank that leads to one of our family properties. Okay, my carry for today is this particular ginugon style knife or mini bolo, and this pocket knife from Nomad Outdoors, and some of my finds today, some shells, some stones. Nice to be hiking out here by the beach.